Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva's AI tool Magic Edit. Now what this will basically allow us to do is brush over an area that we want to edit. From there we want to just describe how we want to change the image, and then it will bring our description to life by generating it via AI. So here's an example of how it works. To start with, you want to head over to the Effects tab, and from there you can just choose Magic Edit. Now from here you just want to brush over what you're trying to change. And you can also change the brush size if you need it bigger or smaller. So I'm just going to highlight all around the bag here. It doesn't need to be an exact match. As long as it is covering the entire image, that should be good enough. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and click continue. And from here, we want to describe what to add or change. So down here, they recommend us to do fluffy faux fur. So let's try that out and see what result it gives us. So I've typed that in, and now we can go ahead and click generate. And in a few seconds, it will actually give us that design that we just asked for. And as you can see, it's now completely changed our photo. And you can barely even tell that it used to be a green handbag before this. Of course, it's not perfect at the top up here, but this technology is brand new to Canva, so it's going to be constantly improving. And if you give this about a year's time, the results are going to be absolutely mind-blowing. So it gives us 4 different results, and we can pick them to see how they look. And when we find the one that we like the best, we can go ahead and click done. And it will now save our edit. So that's exactly how you can use Canva's Magic Edit. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.